Hi guys, if you're wondering why your Samsung battery is draining fast, in this video I'll be taking you through 5 settings that are turned on by default on your Samsung phone, and you can change them right away to make your Samsung last longer. The first one I'll be talking about is the Bluetooth scanning drain. And for this, you basically just want to go over to the settings of your Samsung, go over to connections, and then to the more connection settings over here. Now you're going to find the nearby device scanning, and you want to make sure you turn this off. If you leave this on, your Samsung phone is going to constantly search for nearby devices on the background, and it is going to constantly drain your battery without you even knowing. So make sure you turn this off and you're good to go. The next one I'll be talking about is background data reporting, and for that you want to go over to the settings of your Samsung, scroll all the way down until you find Google services, select that, and then make sure you select on all services, and then you're going to find the usage and diagnosis option from over here. Select that, and you want to make sure this is turned off. This is going to stop your Samsung phone from constantly sending technical logs to Google and thereby draining your battery life in the background. The third one on my list is the virtual memory overhead. You want to go over to the settings of your Samsung, scroll all the way down until you find the device care option from over here. Select that, and then you want to select on the memory option. So tap on memory and then tap on RAM Plus at the bottom. Now you want to make sure that this is actually turned off. It is going to restart your Samsung phone, but keep in mind that while it might sound good to use your memory as RAM, it actually goes ahead to make your phone to work harder, thereby draining the battery of your Samsung a lot faster. The next one I'll be talking about is the passive location drain, and for this you want to go over to the settings of your Samsung, scroll down until you find location, tap on it, and then you want to select on the location services from over here. Scroll down and then make sure that you turn off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning as well. This will stop the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of your Samsung from constantly looking for networks even when the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned off. And by doing this, you're stopping your Samsung from draining a lot faster. The next one I'll be talking about is the aggressive Wi-Fi scanning. For this, you want to go over to your settings one more time, go over to connections, and then to Wi-Fi from over here. Tap on the 3 dot icon at the top right, and then go over to intelligent Wi-Fi, and you want to make sure that you switch off mobile data. So turn this off. This is going to stop the antenna of your Samsung from constantly fighting between Wi-Fi and 5G signals, thereby reducing how fast the battery of your Samsung actually drains. And I hope this was helpful. Please make sure you share this video with someone that needs it and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.